Question 2 then, let's have a look at this one. Quadratic in cosec, isn't it? We've got to get rid of the cot squared. So I've got the question here. So we know sine squared plus cos squared. And then divide by, to get cot, you have to divide by sine squared. So this would be 1 plus cot squared, wouldn't it? Dividing by sine, so this would be cosec squared. So there's our formula. So I've just divided this by sine squared all the way through to get the formula for cot squared. So cot squared is cosec squared minus 1, isn't it? So I'm just reminding myself of that formula. So cosec squared minus 1. So with that thought in mind, let's have a go at the question. Minus 4 cosec squared theta minus 1, wasn't it? Equals 16 plus 5 cosec theta. So we got 7 minus 4 is 3 cosec squared theta plus 4. When you expand the bracket, I'm going to move the 16 over to minus 16, it'll be minus 12. And I'm going to move this over as well, minus 5 cosec theta. I've done it all in one fell swoop. And that way I can just look at the quadratic straight away. So 7, take 4 of these is 3. Plus 4 here, minus 16 is minus 12. And then move the minus this over to minus 5. So let's factorize. It's got to be 3 and 1. Um, 3 and 1. So it's going to be odd. So 4 3s. 4 3s, yeah. 9 and 4 is 5. So that looks like it's going to be a 3. This looks like a 4. To get that, you'd need the minus here and the plus here. Hope you can see that. 3 cosec squared minus 9 plus 4 was the minus 5. And then you've got minus 12, of course. Okay, so this one, cosec theta will equal minus 4/3 on that one. And cosec theta is equal to 3. So cosec is 1 over sine. So invert the fraction is minus 3/4. And this one, sine theta is equal to 1/3. So we need to solve these two problems between 0 and 360. Let's have a go then. The first one. So we've got a circle between 0 and 360, CAST. Sine is negative here. Sine is positive here and here, so it's negative there and there. 2 lines. Alpha, sine alpha. The associated acute angle is 3/4. Drop the negative. Alpha is shift sine 3/4. In degrees mode, number 3. So shift sine of 3 divided by 4, wasn't it? 48.59 degrees, 48.6. So there's alpha. Theta will equal to, then the first one is around here, 228.6 degrees, and the next one is right round to here. 360 minus this, so that's 311.4. 360 minus 48. Okay, next one. CAST. Sine is positive, which it is here and here. 2 lines. Again, alpha associated acute angle. Write down sine alpha is equal to 1/3. So alpha is shift sine 1/3. 1 divided by 3. 19.5 degrees. So theta is equal to, the first solution is round to here. And theta, the next one, is 180 minus 19.5, so it's 160.5 degrees. And there's our solutions for theta. Now, part B then. Let's have a look at this one. Why can that not equal 6? Well, let's write it in more familiar terms. 4 over cos plus 3 over sine equals 6. Okay, so theta was acute. Let's have a look at what it said. Yes, between 0 and 90. No values of phi, so we got a phi here, haven't we? I just put it in properly. Just overwrite this. Okay, so here, because cosine is always a number less than 1 acute angle wise, this will be bigger than 4. It's going to be bigger than 4. And 3 over sine phi, I keep writing theta, sorry, is going to be bigger than 3. So the sum is bigger than 7. Sum cannot equal 6, which is less than 7. Okay, good.